Hi friends, welcome to another unboxing. It's been a while. I actually received my box on the 5th of this month and it is now the 27th. It's just been a little bit of a hectic month, but pretty good. Nonetheless, here we are, and you guys are here for the makeup, so let's get into it. Alright, first up is this 3-piece brush set from Luxy. Our theme this month is actually natural, which is very fitting for the summer, so the brushes came packaged in this really gorgeous cardboard type sleeve, which is recyclable, and the brushes themselves are eco-friendly. So we received a foundation brush, a blending brush, and a crease brush. Next up is the Superfood Veggie Mask from Elemis, and it's just a treatment mask that is meant to nourish, smooth, and brighten your skin to make it look more radiant, which who couldn't use a little bit of that? As you can see here, the consistency is pretty thin, which I really enjoyed. That was the top layer of our box, so now let's move on to the goodies in the bottom. These are the Instaglam false eyelashes from Lashaholics. Look how cute that packaging is. And I'd never heard of this brand before, but I was really excited that we got these because I found out that they are 100% vegan falsies and they're made from premium silk fibers. Alright, our next item is an Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Santorini. I was a little worried about this one, guys, because it's not a shade that I tend to gravitate towards, and in the tube it looked like it was going to be really thick, but I was pleasantly surprised. It was pretty thin. It has more the consistency of a lip gloss and it's very moisturizing, so I actually have been enjoying this one quite a bit. Our last product is this Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette from Butter London. And okay, let's state the obvious first of all, because how adorable was the packaging on that. It also has a really good size mirror inside, and it is thin enough that you could travel with it, although you would definitely need to pair it with another palette as well. Let's get into some swatches. There's Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, which reminds me more of Fall, and Femme Fatale was the only one that I had some trouble with. I had to do a couple of swipes there to get some color, but the rest of these I have been playing with for the month that I've had them, and they have blended like a dream, so I've been very happy with this product. You're also going to see here in a second that it is cruelty-free, so I know that's not a deal breaker for everyone, but if that is something that you look for in your products, it's really good to know that this one is cruelty-free. That marks the end of this boxycharm unboxing. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.